This is your reading for today. Your cards are Four of Wands and the Star. It is time to step out into meeting people again, facing people again, mingling, enjoying gatherings and celebrations. You have been sitting in for a very, very long time, and yes, there was a terrible moment where everything came crashing down, and you were left gathering the pieces of your life, and you thought it best to not share it with the whole world in that sense, but perhaps keep it to a very close circle, and in many cases to handle this shattering period yourself, all by yourself. But it is time to step out. It is time to bring the walls down. If you have things in your home which have been lying for a very long time, uh, gadgets, broken gadgets, electronic stuff that is not working, and you've kept it with the hope that okay, I'll get it repaired, and it's been there for 5 6 years. If you have old clothes, or if you have clothes which are a little bit, a little bit of a tear somewhere and you are still wearing it, or if you are somebody who is going over the old messages on your phone, or looking at stuff related to the people who were there once upon a time in your life, it is time to declutter and take it all out of your life and strip yourself of everything. Everything that was old and everything that reminds you of that pain. It is time to strip yourself of all of that and start afresh. It is your time to shine. And when it is our time to shine, either we polish things that can be polished. There is some dust and grime, and you can polish that part. You can polish that part and bring it out again and start using it. But there are some things that you just can't polish, they are broken. And even the kintsugi version, where you can join the broken pieces with golden lacquer, and even that is not possible over there. They just need to be thrown away. So if it's a kintsugi you can do it. If you can polish it, do it. If it is something that is not serving you, and every time that you look at it, it is pulling you down into old stories and it is keeping you in a loop, time to throw everything out. Because when you shine, either you shine new or you polish something that was hiding and you need to bring it out again. That is the attitude that you need right now. Go out and shine.